Hello friends, thanks for your continuous support to our channel and welcome to yet another episode of Utkala Garima. This is the most different looking ancient temple in Bhubaneswar, the Vaital temple, or more popularly known as Tinimundiya Deula. It is very likely that the name Vaital is derived from Boita, meaning boat. The top of the temple looks like a boat turned upside down. This is a temple of Khakra order under Kalinga architecture. We will explore details of different types of temples built under Kalinga architecture in another video. The top of the temple, which also looks like a half cylinder, is fully restored. Originally, there must have been carvings in it. This bho contains a beautiful 10-armed typical Natraj. Below, it's Surya, the sun god. As per the mythological description, the sun god travels in a chariot pulled by 7 horses. Here you can see the charioteer Aruna in command of the 7 horses. Even after 1300 years of exposure to nature, the facial expression of Surya is still intact. Usha and Pratyusha are depicted as attendants, both shooting arrows. Usha and Pratyusha are depicted as attendants, both shooting arrows. This temple is unique in many ways. Look at this flat-roofed Jagamohana, or the audience hall of the temple. These are 4 miniature temples at each of its 4 corners. The temple is rectangular, not square in ground plan. Usually, temples have 3 Parshva Devatas or 3 side deities on 3 sides. This temple has got only 2 side deities on the north and south, the shorter sides of the rectangle. This is a 4-armed Parvati on the south. Slightly higher is seated figure of four-armed Shiva and two-armed Parvati. Further up in the medallion, in a Chaitya window is Lakulisha with four attendants. On the west side, which is longer side, there are five figures of equal size, the middle one being Ardhanarishwara, a half male, half female figure which is considered half Shiva and half Parvati. The other four are female figures, each one in a different role. The first arranging her scarf gracefully, the second carrying a flower, the third holding a branch of a tree, and the fourth putting on vermilion with the help of a mirror. On the north side, the Parshva Devata or the side deity is an eight-armed Mahisasura Mardini Durga. Durga killing the demon buffalo. This is perhaps the most completely intact figure from the early group of temples. All the ayudhas or weapons in all the 8 hands are distinctly visible. Above this is a four-armed seated Parvati. Interesting to note that she is not wearing any ornament and is depicted like an ascetic. Further up is a Harihara in the medallion inside the Chaitya motif. The presiding deity of this temple is Chamunda. She is locally known as Kapalini. Some elderly people call it Kapalini temple. Usually, images in the sanctum are placed in a pedestal. Here, the 8-armed Chamunda is enshrined in a niche. She is accompanied by a host of other allied deities. Carved in the lower part of the wall, they are the rest of the 6 of the Saptamatrukas or the 7 mother goddesses, along with Ganesh and Veerabhadra. There is also a Bhairava, the furious form of Shiva apart from other figures. Right in front of the entrance to the temple is this pillar with some carving. This is claimed to be a sacrificial stump. Animal sacrifice and offering of blood is closely associated with the furious forms of Parvati. Nowadays, there is no such practice in this temple. Nearby, another pillar enshrined. It closely resembles a Buddhist votive stupa. It has 4 images carved on 4 sides. Most interesting is this Ajayikapada Vairava or an one-legged Shiva. In the same compound is also another ruined temple known as Sisreswara temple. Vaital and Sisreswar are built in the same period. They are closely related in decorative details. Both the temples are remarkable for their fine workmanship and sensitive modeling. Thanks for watching the video till the end. For interesting video like this, please like, share and subscribe our channel Utkala Garima.